Okay, so hello Justine, kumusta?
Hi, I'm good. I'm so excited to be here.
So how do you feel about the bench model casting today?
Oh, I mean, just like walking in the door, it's so much bigger than I expected. But bench body of work or bench body in general has always been a dream of mine to do because they stopped it for a while. So I feel like this is my chance to really do the show now.
And congratulations for winning Super Buds. So has it been a very busy post victory na ng mga ganaps?
It is. I was actually telling my fellow super gods. Now it hasn't even been a month.
Yeah.
Because like we had our finals on July 9 and parang so much has happened already, but good blessings of course because coming from pageant to Superbad, it's such a different type of feel or different activities and I finally feel like a winner because I did win, you know?
Yes.
And it's really different from doing pageant. So I'm just excited because the organization is so good. I can't stress enough that they take care of me really well and just like it's Century Tuna, so it's something different.
And you recently opened your
Pharmacy.
pharmacy,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
right? It's Reseta
Rosetta,
PH.
yeah.
Okay.
I love that you know.
So, can you say something about that?
Yeah, so actually it's been a long time coming. So my business partners are also beauty queens. It's Angelia and Dr. Casey. So that's why when you go to the store, it's so maarte. It looks like a candy shop actually. But you know, it's something that we've been working for since the pandemic. So now that it's finally here, I can breathe a little and I hope that we can use it to really help more people just outside of charity missions, also like making it more sustainable as well.
So, where is it located?
It's in Malolos, Bulacan. So that's our flagship store. It's the biggest one. I hope you guys can visit. But we aim to open another one in Bulacan also because we want to start in the provinces because you know in the city it's quite saturated already.
Yeah.
So we want to start in the provinces, hopefully bring things from Manila to the provinces so that people don't have to travel so far.
Okay, thank you, Justine.